Duke. Hi there, Duke. What you doing, baby? This is one of our Diggin' Doxies, Cream. He's kind of a, he's almost a chocolate-based cream, but his nose isn't quite liver. It's a little bit black. And then this is Mr. Duncan. He's going to go live in Arkansas. He's already taken. But Duke is still available. Now he is going to be non-registered. He's Tootsie's baby and Wildman's, which Wildman is AKC registered with Champion Bloodlines. But Tootsie is our non-registered miniature dachshund. Hi, little guy. He will be ready to go this weekend. He comes with a 1-year health guarantee. Hi, a vet check, a travel carrier. Yes, hey, mister. He's $600 pet, non-registered miniature long-haired dachshund. Hey, little guy. You say, come say hi for the camera. Hi. Look at you. Oh, yes. If you are interested, give us a call, 580-565-2655.